Hi, it's Cameron with Nucleus Research. Salesforce recently announced the launch of Automotive Cloud, its latest industry-specific cloud CRM offering. Salesforce has consistently led the CRM market in functionality, but it's been hindered by the complexity and costs tied to the setup and maintenance of its base solution. Nucleus found that organizations opting for vertical solutions over custom configurations can accelerate implementation time to value by 40 to 60%. We found that organizations that opted for one of Salesforce's industry-specific solutions were able to go live over 50% faster. Two things we didn't mention in the report are, one, how organizations implementing an industry-specific solution can avoid the costs of maintaining custom integrations and capabilities, as well as avoid the cost of future development. A second thing worth considering is that companies that use specific solutions can gain access to industry best practices that they may not have thought to build or implement on their own. Salesforce's continued broadening of industry-specific cloud CRM offerings is expected to provide additional value for customers in specific verticals and further cement the vendor's leadership in the CRM space. For more information on how Salesforce's industry-specific solutions are driving value for customers, visit nucleusresearch.com.